Image, generate animation, image, generate animation, image, generate animation. Just connect the animations. For a few minutes, the effect animation of a project is ready. This is the recently popular SUAPP AIA. No need to run the model. The demonstration effect is directly generated by AI. Just put the image in and write a description. It's easy to do. Sunsets, camera rotation, egrets flying over, weather changes. The same picture can have different ways of playing. From sketch to concept effect, you can get animation into minutes. Just put in the image, and you can create it indefinitely. The effect is very stable. AI simulates dynamic scenes to meet the presentation level. More ways to play. The dynamic effects are amazing.